Greetings students! This video is a tutorial on how to register for sport clubs at Ton Duc Thang University. First, you will need to log in your student account at the TDTU student portal. Next, scroll down and click on the Sport Club section. Click the Sign In button on the upper left corner. Then choose Login by Student Account. Click on Participant on the left list. Choose Practice Schedule. Then click on the plus symbol on the upper side of the screen. Choose the sport club which you want to register. At TDTU, we offer many sports in our sport club programs, including swimming, kickboxing, football, table tennis, basketball, yoga, badminton, Muay Thai, volleyball, Vietnam, fitness workout, taekwondo, judo, traditional Vietnamese martial art, and karate. Each sport club has a separate schedule. For example, you want to join the swimming club. After selecting your practice schedule, you will see the start and end time of each club, practice day in a week, the location, and monthly fee of the club. Remember to fill in the verification code and click register. Now we will have a look at the tuition fee of the sport club. Please notice that you have to pay them in Vietnamese currency. After you register, please go to the Step Up Store office to pay the monthly fee. Hope you find this tutorial helpful and have a great time at TDTU.